This video was created using a training platform and is for training purposes only. No real students or student data is used. In this video, we will walk through the steps for creating a K-5 mathematics intervention within the PowerSchool Analytics and Insights platform used to document Tier 3 math interventions in the state of Alabama. If you've already created student groups, that's great. If not, you can still create an intervention. I'll explain how to do both throughout this recording. The PowerSchool Analytics and Insights platform is used for documenting Tier 3 intervention plans, Tier 3 progress monitoring, and attendance as outlined in the Alabama Numeracy Act. Creating an intervention allows for documentation of Tier 3 attendance and progress monitoring as the student moves through the intervention process. In Alabama, Tier 3 math interventions for grades K through 5 must align with resources approved by the Elementary Math Task Force. Let's look at how to create an intervention. Once you're logged into PowerSchool Analytics and Insights, you will go to the Utility Apps and select MTSS Interventions. Across the top, you will see some tabs, and you want to select Intervention Bank. Once you've clicked on Intervention Bank, you will notice that there are currently 452 intervention plans within this bank. To easily find the intervention plan you are looking for, you will use the filters. Once you select the filters, you will drill down to the intervention level of Tier 3, and then the intervention type is Math K-5. Once you've selected those, you click outside that box, and you will notice all of your K-5 math interventions will populate. Another easy way to find the intervention you are looking for is to use the search bar. And for example, I am going to search for do the math. Once I enter do the math into that search bar and hit enter, you will notice that one intervention populates. For this example, we will select do the math as our intervention. To select do the math, you will click on use this plan. Once you've clicked on Use This Plan, you will see the Start New Intervention. The intervention name also already populates. While original guidance advised not changing the intervention name, updates to the platform now allow for customized naming. It is recommended that each LEA adopts a consistent naming convention. So for example, if I have a teacher providing math intervention to a small group or several small groups of students, I may name it with the last name. Let's use Smith for an example. And I will keep the rest of the intervention name. So Smith K-5 Math, Tier 3, Do the Math, Heinemann. You can add to the front end of the intervention name or at the end, but please do not compromise the intervention name that populates in the field. Again, once you have added the name of that person providing that intervention or whatever your LEA determines as the consistent naming conventions, you are ready to add students to your intervention.